Hey, what's up, everybody? Now, hopefully, everybody's having a great time. It's your boy YASHViR GAMiNG, and if you're new to my channel, guys, I would like you to kill murder and smash the subscribe button right about now. And also, do not forget to ring that bell notification because whenever I drop a brand new video, you will get notified about it. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, let's get started. All right, so today, guys, I'm about to show you guys how you can easily integrate Facebook login, okay, onto your WordPress forum, onto your WordPress blog forum site. Okay, all right, so here's my main WordPress forum, and as you can see here, this is my main login page. And let's say if I wanna integrate Facebook login here, okay, so once I integrate the Facebook login, it's gonna appear here, so users will be able to click onto the Facebook, and it should redirect them to Facebook, and they're gonna allow, okay, they're gonna accept the verification, and after that they will be able to browse my forum by logging from their Facebook account. Okay, so how do we do this? How do we add this? Rest assure you guys, I'm gonna teach you everything step by step. Okay, this is gonna be a full step-by-step tutorial, a beginner tutorial. Okay, so well, here I'm gonna go into my main WordPress dashboard over here, and for that we're gonna go into plugins. Okay, so just search your WordPress plugins panel and click on add new. Okay, so you're gonna click on add new here. Okay, so once you've inside the WordPress plugin store, okay, where you can search for any plugins, here all you gotta do is to type super. Okay, just type the word super socializer. Okay, socializer, and once you've done that, okay guys, it's gonna show socializer. Socializer, yeah, it's super socializer. Okay, my bad guys, my bad pronunciation. Okay, so here it is, guys. We have 5-star. Okay, we've completed 5 stars, and a lot of people are using this, and it's compatible with my WordPress version. As you can see, the last updated is 1 day ago. Okay, so here it is: WordPress social share, social login, and social comments plugins. All you gotta do is to click this button, install now. Okay, once it's installed, you're gonna scroll down to your settings, and you're gonna find the plugins in your settings. Okay, so as you can see here, it says activate. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the button activate here. It's so slow, man. Why is it loading so slow? I'm gonna have to purge the website cache later. All right, so yeah, so you're gonna go into the your WordPress settings, and you should find the, what is it, super what is it, man? Can't find that. Sharing super oops, if you can't find it into your settings, here it is, guys, here it is. Okay, so you're gonna click this super socializer. Okay, just click onto it, or you can click on general options, but just click onto it. It's gonna go to general options. Okay, so once you're in here, this is a super socializer plugin. Okay, so here all you gotta do is to you're gonna click integrate. Wait, where is it? General option. Okay, so you're gonna click social login. Okay, don't forget to click the social login, guys, otherwise it will not appear. And here you must enable. Okay, click enable social login, and here there's a bunch of social networks here, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google, Steam, Windows Live. Okay, so we want Facebook, so you're gonna take Facebook, and just below it says Facebook app ID and Facebook app secret. Okay guys, so this is really easy, and I'm also gonna show you how you can get your Facebook app ID and your Facebook app secret. So it's really easy. All you gotta do is to visit developersfacebook.com/apps. Okay, so once you've logged in, as you can see here, it says no apps. You currently have no apps created. Okay, so click this create app, and here click the click this for everything else. Okay, and here you're gonna give a name, so I'm gonna stick with social login WP social login. Okay, that sounds good. And here it says if you have a business manager account. Okay, so I'm gonna choose my business manager account, and there's a security check, so you have to complete this. Okay, this is easy. Fire hydrant, and hit on submit. Okay, so once you're in here, you will see a lot of stuffs over here, messenger expressions or messenger. So we want Facebook login. Okay, so this is on the first one. So all you gotta do is to click setup. Okay, just click that setup button, and here you're gonna enter your website URL, which is mine is this YASHViRGaming.com, and make sure guys it is set to HTTPS. Okay, because of the SSL. Okay, so if your website is HTTP, it will not work. Okay, make sure that your website is set on HTTPS. Okay, just hit saved, and before we hit continue guys, go to settings. Okay, click this Facebook settings here. Up here, here's the settings, and you are going to basic. Okay, so you're gonna click settings, and you wanna go to basics. Okay, and here just enter your privacy policy. Okay, so if you don't have any what is it? So you wanna choose a category first. So mine is social networks and dating, and nope. What the fuck? Business, community, and government. Nope. Education, games, lifestyle, messaging, bots. Okay, so I'm gonna choose social networks. Okay, here just enter like your website. Okay, I don't, so I'm just gonna copy. And if you want to add an app icon here, you can add app icon. Okay, so just I'm gonna click this save changes. Okay, so as soon as you hit save changes guys, your app ID is already here, and you should also see your app secret. Okay, oh yeah, I forgot one thing. Okay, the most important thing guys, do not forget it. Okay, so you'll have to, you see this in development, so you'll have to turn this on, and it's gonna re-ask you for the for your Facebook passwords. Okay, so you're gonna click switch mode. Okay, as you can see now it is live, so you're gonna click save changes. Okay, Once changes has been saved, you want to copy your app ID, you want to paste it here, and this is your app secret, so you're going to click show, and you're going to paste it down here, and then scroll completely down and click on save changes on the web, on the Super Socializer plugin, okay, on the basic configuration of Super Socializer. Once you hit save changes, guys, you will see it will automatically generate a link for you. As you can see, it says add this link, okay, equal to Facebook, Super Socializer auth equal to Facebook invalid auth redirects URLs, okay. So here all you gotta do is to go to Facebook login settings. All right, and here it is valid auth redirects URLs. So just paste it here and hit save changes, okay. Settings saved, and that's all. So once you've done that, just click OK button over here, and now guys, you're good to go, okay. You are currently good to go. Settings has been saved successfully, and now just go to a private browser, okay. Open a private browser and go to your login page, okay. Refresh the login, all right guys. So once you refresh your login, guys, you should see your Facebook app to sign up, and you have here, as you can see, this is a widget, okay. This is a widget, Facebook Tumblr sharing. This is the sharing widgets, okay. So actually my login page is, let me see that, and I actually have 3 logins, okay. So I really wanna know where, okay. So it was I'm gonna click my home page, and then I'm gonna try to find that login home page, okay. So as you can see here, it says you need to log in to create posts and topics. All right, so once in here, I'm gonna hit login, and here it is, guys. Boom, as you can see, guys, here it is. So if someone now click login with your social ID, if someone clicks Facebook, okay, instead of adding his username, passwords, okay, he will be redirected to Facebook, where he will enter his email and password, etc., and just click on confirm, okay, and he will be good to go, okay. So as you can see, guys, it works. It says login with your social ID, okay. So again, if you have any doubt, okay, so let me just log out quickly, and I'm gonna give you a demonstration. Oh my god, my website is so it's so slow. All right, so here it is. So if I click login here, okay, once I click login, and as you can see, I will not use my this, but instead I will click login with your social ID. So I'm gonna click login with Facebook, and this gonna redirect me to facebook.com, where I will have to accept, okay. So as you can see, it's gonna redirect me to, as you can see, it says WP social login will receive your name and profile picture and etc. email address, okay. So I'm gonna click continue, okay, as your default username. And voila, guys, once you hit continue, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and it redirects you, boom, As you can see here, we are inside the website right now, and it's working, guys. This is actually working. As you can see, I'm gonna close this, and as you can see here, as you can see my different name. Okay, you now if you go to your profile settings here, as you can see, if I chat, I'm gonna say hello everybody. Okay, and as you can see here, and it works, guys. Okay, the reason it works. Okay, so I will not bug you with so much talks. Alright, guys, so if this tutorial was helpful, guys, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so if you still have any issues creating your apps on Facebook developers page, on the Facebook developers page, if you're still having problems, then you can contact me. Okay, you can leave a comment down below. Okay, and I'll try my best to help you guys. Okay, so peace.